Yeah. So what we discussed in the previous class, we discussed about the disk partitions in the previous class, right?
Yeah, that was the last one we had.
Yeah.
Okay.
Today we are discussing about the,
Can you give me a minute? I have a call.
sorry?
I have a call from my mom. Can you give me a minute?
Yeah, I'm giving. You can take a minute.
All right. Yeah, hello. Can you hear me? I was in the class. I was having the class. Yeah, so I just want to give me a minute and call you. All right. And then she can. Good afternoon. Bye, yeah. Yeah, sure, this is you. Hello?
Yeah. Are you able to hear?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, sorry about that.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah. So what we discussed in the previous class, we discussed about the disk partitions. Did you watch the
Yeah.
recordings? Did you practice it?
No, I was saying you sent your recordings today, so I haven't had time to go through it. But I'll do
Yeah, you
that.
can. Sorry?
You sent in the recordings today, right?
Yeah. So you can practice those. Okay?
Yeah, okay, I'll do that. I'll do that.
Yep, understood. Thank you. So what is that? So we are discussing about the software installations on software installation on Linux. Oh yes. So which one? So CentOS or Red Hat or Fedora or Amazon Linux or Amazon Linux. So CentOS, Red Hat, Fedora, Amazon Linux, Oracle Linux also. So we can use the same commands. So whatever the commands we are discussing, right? That commands will be used in all these Linux flavors. Yes, understood? Yeah.
Yeah.
So how you can install the softwares in Windows, how you can install the softwares. So what is the format? The format is exe format. We downloaded the format. So for Windows, okay. And so we can install the exe is nothing but executable format. And so how you can install next, and finish. Okay. So how you can verify install software. So Windows. So which format to download the softwares. So which format to download the softwares, guys? Which format to download the softwares? .exe. So how to install softwares? The next, and finish. This is the way. How to verify, verify if the software is installed or not. How to verify, guys? So something like how to verify. Go to control panel. Go to control panel and programs and features. Programs and features. Then programs. Right. Under the programs. So you can check if the package is installed, if the software is installed or not. Right. If the software is installed or not, you can check it. So install. What is now? Now you understood the install the software. Okay. So verify the software also. What is that, guys? So verify. So verify the software installed or not. You can go to control panel. So if the software is installed or not, yes, we can verify it and uninstall. Uninstall the software. Uninstall the software. How you can uninstall the software, guys? Just right click on the software, then uninstall. Next, next, and finish. Guys, understood? So uninstall the software. How you can uninstall the software? Right click on software. I will show you. So guys, so you know already how to install the software. Just next, it will install. How to uninstall? Go to the control panel. In the Windows, go to the control panel and the programs and features. So here the list of installed softwares will be showing. So what is that? If you want to uninstall the Oracle VirtualBox, okay, right click. See, to unclick uninstall, it will automatically uninstall the packages. Now you understood the Windows install, mm, verify, and uninstall. Okay, the same like as a the same like as a Linux also. What is that, guys? Linux operating system. What is that? So Linux operating system. So Linux operating system. If it is a CentOS, Red Hat, Fedora, Amazon, or Oracle, Linux. If it is a Linux operating system, CentOS, Red Hat, Fedora, Amazon Linux, and Oracle Linux. So how you can install the packages? How you can verify the packages? How you can uninstall the packages? So Linux operating system is a GUI operating system or a CLI operating system, Dozy? So Linux is a GUI or a CLI operating system.
I'm sorry, I can't see the screen.
Sorry,
I can't see the screen though.
you cannot see my screen, huh?
Yeah, I think it's off.
Yeah, I'm sharing here already. Now,
No, I still can't see it.
now you can see, huh? You can see or you cannot see. Dozy,
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
you can see, right? So right. So now I already told you software installation on Linux. So Linux OSs, if it is a CentOS, Red Hat, Fedora, Amazon, or Oracle Linux. So right. In Windows, which format to download the software? .exe. .exe is nothing but a executable format. How to install the software? Just next, finish because of it is a GUI. So verify the software is installed or not in Windows. Go to control panel, programs and features, programs. So that software is installed or not. How you can uninstall the software? Right click on the software. So where uninstall, next, finish. It will be uninstall the package. So this everything will be in the Windows machine only. Okay. Because of it is a GUI, right? So you can directly go to the install and you can check the verify the install or uninstall, or else you can clean. I will show you. So go to control panel. So this is the click the control panel and programs and features. So in the programs and features, list of softwares are installed. This is the GUI mission, right? I want to uninstall the software. You can click uninstall it automatically uninstall the software. So Windows is GUI. We can Windows is a GUI. We can easily install the packages. But Linux is a GUI operating system or a CLI operating system. Dosing. So Linux is a CLI operating system or GUI operating system.
Sorry?
Linux is a CLI operating system or a Linux GUI operating system.
Can you
Linux
hear
is
me?
which? Yeah. Linux is a CLI operating system or GUI operating system.
Is it Geo?
Linux is CLI. Okay. CLI means command line interface. How you are interacting with this? How you are interacting with this PWD, MKDA, right? Everything through shell only. Shell is nothing but a CLI. Okay.
So what are examples of the GLA?
Sorry.
What are the examples of GUA?
Windows is Geo, right?
Okay.
What
Why
this
Linux
is?
is a CLA?
Yeah, this is the Windows side, right? Windows is a GUI operating system.
Okay.
Okay. Linux is a
All right,
CLI
that's
operating
fine.
system.
Okay. Just
Now you
wanted to know
understood?
the
So
difference.
CLI means everything through how you can interact with the CLI. We can interact with the CLI through commands only. How you are interacting with our Linux machine through commands only, right? So commands is nothing
Yeah.
but a text. Text is nothing but a CLI. Okay.
Okay. So, all right, that's fine.
Yeah. How you can install the softwares? You can install the softwares through commands only. Understood?
Yeah, that's understood.
In Linux, we can install the softwares through commands only. So, what are the commands we can use it in the CentOS, Red Hat, Fedora, Amazon Linux? Okay. So, what is the extension packages? Here, what we call it as a packages. So, we can download the RPM packages. RPM is nothing but Red Hat package management. What is that? So RPM is nothing but a Red Hat package management. Understood?
Yeah, understood.
Mhm. So Red Hat package management. So what we call it as? We call it as a packages. What we call it as a packages. Now you understood? So right, I will show you that packages. CentOS 9 packages. What is that, guys? CentOS 9 packages. So there is a repository. The repository is CentOS, right? CentOS stream official. Yes, guys. So what is the extension, guys? Does it? So what is the extension for these packages?
64.
Extension is
RPM.
.rpm,
Yeah, the
.rpm,
RPM.
.rpm, .rpm, .rpm. So if you want to install the packages on Windows machine, so what you need? Yes, guys. So this is the Windows software properties. So what is that? The extension is
EXE.
.exe. Windows
Yeah,
supports only
.exe.
.exe executable files, and Linux supports only,
RPM.
what is that guys? .rpm. Now you understood? So
Yeah.
.rpm. Every package is .rpm. Yeah, now you got it. So the extension package is .rpm. Right. Now, how to install? So how to install the package, guys? So how to install the package? You can install the package by using
Commands.
commands rpm and yum commands. What is it? RPM and yum commands. So we can install the packages. What is that? RPM again yum. So yum install package name. Yum just package name. Yum remove package name. Okay, guys, now you understood? Yum install package name. Installing purpose. Okay, installing. So installing the packages. Verify the packages. Uninstall the packages. So RPM hyphen IVH package name dot RPM. RPM hyphen IVH package name dot RPM. RPM hyphen D package name. RPM hyphen QA package name dot RPM. Okay. So RPM-IVH package name, RPM-EVH package name, RPM-E package name, RPM-QF package name. Guys, understood? So this is nothing but a install. So this is nothing but upgrade. So this is nothing but remove. So this is nothing but verify. Guys, understood?
Yeah.
So RPM install. So RPM. Okay. So guys, understood? So
Yeah.
RPM.
So there are different commands for both RPM and yum.
Sorry.
There are different commands for both RPM and yum, correct?
Yeah, yeah. So we can use the RPM is the command, M is the command. Okay.
All right.
Now you understood?
As understood.
Yeah, I will tell you. So RPM command is there, right? Why you are using M command? So why you are using M command? So if we use the M, it will automatically install the dependency softwares. It will install the dependency softwares also. Okay, so it will install the dependency software. We need, it will not resolve the dependency software. Dependency softwares. Understood? So it will not resolve the dependency software. It will resolve the dependency softwares. So dependency softwares means, for example, so if you are installing OVM, Oracle Virtual Machine, what you need, we need a VS C++ 2019. What this is a dependency software. So first we need to install the VSC++, then only we can install the OVM. Same like as a, if you want to install using RPM, so we can install single packages at a time. We can install single packages at a time. Okay. So here, so we can install multiple packages at a time. Okay, so we can install the multiple packages at a time. So we can install the single package at a time. Okay, I will show you through practical. Now you will understand. So what is that, guys? So what we call it as a, we call it as a Red Hat package management. What is that, guys?
Package management.
Yes, Red Hat. What is it? So Red Hat package management. So what it is? So it is called it as a Red Hat package management. So how you can install the package? You can install the package through RPM. RPM is nothing but a Red Hat package management. Now you understood, right? So how you can install the packages? So you can install the package in two ways. You can install the package in two ways. So what are those? What are those? Tell me, Daisy.
RPM method and Yum.
Very good. Now you understanding, right? RPM or M. So what is a M? M is nothing but a yellow dot update modifier. Yellow dot update modifier. So what is that choice? So so what is nothing but a M?
Yellow dot update modifier.
Yellow dot update modifier. Okay, so when it was introduced from RHEL 5 onwards, what is that? From RHEL 5 or CentOS 5 or Red Hat 5. So Red Hat 5, so CentOS 5 onwards. So what introduced? A M is introduced. Before that, before RHEL 5, so we are using before Red Hat or CentOS 5. So before Red Hat or CentOS 5, we are using RPM. So what is the drawback? It will not resolve the dependency packages. It will not resolve the dependency packages. We resolve needs, so we can install by using RPM. We can install we can install the packages one by one, single packages. We can install single single packages at a time. Okay, single packages at a time. It will not resolve the dependency package. By using RPM, we will so we can install the package one by one. So we can install single package at one time. Okay.
Okay.
So by using yum, we can install multiple packages at a time. But how? It will install the single package at a time. By using yum, we can install we can install the multiple packages at a time. How? So so it will resolve the dependency packages. What is that, guys? It will resolve the
Dependency packages.
dependency packages also. How? How it will resolve the dependencies packages? So yum is nothing but a repository. What is that, guys? Yum is nothing but a repository. What is that? What is
Repository.
repository? Yum repository. So a repository contains the all the RPM packages. All the RPM packages. So if you install through yum, so all the dependency softwares will be, so it will, if you use the yum, it will connect to this, it will go to these packages and it will install the package by using install. So but through the RPM, first we need to download the package, download the packages and install the packages one by one. Okay, install the packages. So one by one. Understood, right? So why you are installing package through, or why it is resolving, why it is resolving the dependency softwares. So why it is not resolving the dependency software? Because of here there is a repository. So we are getting the package from the repository. If any dependencies, it will resolve from the yum repository. So where exactly our yum repository will be available? Slash etc slash etc yum dot repose.d. So something like CentOS base dot repo. What is the extension for the repositories? So yum repositories. This is the extension for the repositories, guys. This is the extension for the repositories. Yes, understood? So if you install the package, right, it will come from here. So here, so we need to download the packages. How we can download the package? We can download the package by using command wget. What is nothing but wget is nothing but a web get. So if you want to download from, if you want to download from internet is nothing but a web. You can use wget command. We can use the wget command. Yes, understood? How we can download from the internet? We can download from the internet by using wget. So what is the syntax, guys? Syntax is wget package name dot rpm. So it will download locally. And how you can install? You can install by using the rpm-ivh, rpm-i. Guys, understood? Rosie, understood?
Yeah, understood.
Mm, yeah. So tomorrow I will show you how to install the packages. Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Yeah. So because of you need to learn before the commands. You don't know what is CLI, right? You can watch the recordings. Okay.
Okay, I'll watch the
Okay.
recordings today so that tomorrow
Yeah,
I'll
yeah, yeah.
catch up.
You can watch the record.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.